My name is Jordan Wilson. I'm from Southern California, Los Angeles area. I started cutting hair about 14, 15 years ago now. As a kid, I was always very meticulous about my hair, right? So, I took it upon myself to utilize my dad's clippers. And, I liked how I looked when I started fixing on my hair. Then I started, hey, Dad, can I cut your hair? No, let me cut you, I know what I'm doing. Cut his hair, had him convinced. I've been cutting his hair for the past 10 years, consistently. Started cutting my buddies, my cousins, and next thing you know, I started building up some little clientele here and there. I came across a barber boot camp. I said, barber boot camp. So I clicked. I said, I saw what was going on, so I read up on it, read up on the description, read the commentary, saw a couple of videos, and I saw that it was local. So I said, let me give him a call. So I called, spoke to Lou, and sounded like a very genuine person who knew what he was talking about. I felt comfortable to proceed, and and that was pretty much history from then. You know what I mean? I needed hands-on training. I said I need to level up. I realized I need to level up. I began cutting more frequently now. My skills got a little bit better, but not where I wanted them to be. So I knew that I needed some assistance, some hands-on training, which is why I decided to follow up and get that one-on-one training today with Lou, which I'm so glad I did. I felt like I got what I was missing, so to say, as far as the small details. The important clippers and the important ways of cutting hair versus just stroking up, stroking down. Nah, there's an angle. There's things to look for. Every cut is different. Every hair texture is different. And then I learned how to work around those hurdles, if you will. Also got my confidence up, cutting in unfamiliar territory, cutting with a team. I've never done that before. Sharing a haircut, pretty much. All of us cutting on one head, and yet it comes out like a professional master barber did it under the instruction of, Master Barber Lou. So, I mean, man, I definitely felt fed. The one-on-one training, hands-on, and it was amazing, to say the least. My confidence, humbling saying, is through the roof right now. I'm ready to cut whoever, wherever, right now. I had the opportunity to cut straight hair. I had the opportunity to cut curly hair. Really, I feel like I covered all bases today, from curly hair to straight hair and in between. So I feel like, I've reached that next level. So now I want to utilize the knowledge and skills that I've acquired today, practice them and embed them. That way they come automatic. I went from cutting the hair I went from it taking me an hour to an hour plus to cut a haircut today for 33 minutes. And that's just one day, one training session. That said, it's like, my gosh, sky's the limit. You know what I mean? So I feel like I definitely got ahead of the game on where I need to be now for the present time. And I got just enough tools where I need to grow to level up and evolve. So, I'm really looking forward to the opportunity. I might have a haircut tonight, and I hope so. If I do, lace them up to the best of my abilities and utilize every piece of information that I learned today. So my instructor, Lou, was real, authentic, one of a kind, a gentleman, passionate about this craft, passionate about cutting hair, barbering, teaching, developing, growing, striving for perfection. It's funny because Lou will give you a push, right? He'll give you a push that will make you really, really want to excel. He'll make you want to work harder. He'll make you want to try harder. He'll make you believe in yourself. He has that gift of gab, if you will. He knows how to definitely make you see yourself in a different light, understand your potential, and realize that, okay, maybe I actually can do this. Maybe I don't need to be nervous about this. And, he'll be honest with you. He'll tell you, hey, that's not right. It doesn't look good. Let's do that again. He'll push you. He'll give you that encouragement. And I feel like that's very much needed with anything that you do. Anything that you do that's new and out of your comfort zone. Because we all know you gotta become uncomfortable in order to become comfortable with something. You have to be exposed to the uncomfortable part of it to become and do it a couple of times before you can become comfortable doing it. And today I did just that. I came in nervous, timid a little bit, and now I'm leaving here, my chest out, my chin up, my Superman chain hanging, you know what I mean? Like, I'm feeling good, again, humbly said, so I feel like I really made the best choice possible to invest in myself by, giving Lou a call and following through with this one-on-one training. It's the best thing I could have done for myself.